A new beginning in a strange land. The Lee family had arrived in a strange country, leaving behind the familiar sights and sounds of their homeland. Their journey had been filled with equal parts excitement and trepidation as they stepped off the plane and embarked on a new chapter of their lives. For Mr. and Mrs. Lee, the decision to immigrate had been driven by the dream of providing better opportunities for their children, Rachel and Kevin. The road ahead was filled with challenges, but the family's determination and unity would see them through. The first hurdle was adapting to their new surroundings. The language was different, the customs were unfamiliar, and even the food tasted strange. A simple trip to the grocery store became an adventure as they deciphered the labels and ingredients. Rachel and Kevin, however, were quick to embrace their new lives. They enrolled in school, eager to make new friends and immerse themselves in their studies. The classrooms were a melting pot of cultures, and it was a chance to learn about the world through their peers. Rachel, with her natural curiosity, quickly became friends with Lily, a bubbly girl who introduced her to the intricacies of the language and the joys of ice cream after school. Lily's family had also been immigrants once, so she understood the challenges Rachel was facing. Kevin, on the other hand, found a kindred spirit in Alex, a fellow soccer enthusiast. They bonded over their shared love for the sport and spent weekends kicking the ball around at the nearby park. With each goal, Kevin felt a little more at home in this foreign land. For Mr. Lee, the transition to a new job market was challenging. His qualifications and experience needed to be recognized, and he spent days filling out job applications and attending interviews. It was a tough period of uncertainty, but his determination never wavered. Finally, after months of searching, he received a job offer. The relief and pride in his family's eyes were worth every effort. Mrs. Lee had the equally daunting task of managing the household in this new environment. From understanding the public transportation system to navigating the intricacies of the healthcare system, she was a pillar of strength. Her culinary skills, though, became the family's source of comfort, as she recreated the flavors of home in their new kitchen. Despite the challenges, the Lees never lost sight of their dream. They had embarked on this journey as a family, and they drew strength from one another. The local community played a crucial role as well, providing support and guidance. They attended cultural events, local festivals, and community gatherings, further integrating themselves into their new home. As the years passed, the Lees gradually adjusted to their new life. The language became second nature, the food wasn't so strange anymore, and the customs felt like their own. They celebrated their successes and faced their setbacks together. In their adopted country, they found a blend of their old and new selves. The values of their homeland were cherished, while they embraced the opportunities provided in this strange land. The Lees understood that they were part of the rich tapestry of immigration, contributing to the vibrant diversity of their new home. The journey was not without its hardships, but it was also filled with moments of growth, unity, and new friendships. The Lees had started as immigrants, but they had become a family woven into the fabric of their new country. Their story was a testament to the human spirit's capacity to adapt, thrive, and find a new sense of belonging in a strange land. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.